All right, good morning, YouTube. I know this is a little different setup. You guys can see the title of this video. We're actually doing a pickup vlog today. I haven't done a pickup vlog in such a long time. Sorry if I'm a little bit rusty with the vlogging, by the way. Once again, I haven't done a vlog in a while. Just trying to hold my camera right now. Literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago. But yeah, as you can see in the title of the video, we're going to pick up the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue / Columbia. To be completely honest, I wasn't planning on doing this, but I entered the raffle on Dick's Sporting Goods just to see if I could win. And I ended up winning, so we're going to go ahead and pick these up. Now, this is a full nostalgia cop for me. I remember vividly in high school always going to get the 11s at the mall during the holiday season. Most of the time striking out. The only one I got for retail was the Concord because I literally broke into the mall at 5 in the morning with a bunch of other people and just got super lucky. I was thrown into a spot at the Champs. But another story for a different day. But yeah, hopefully today won't be that chaotic. It should be pretty easy. Once again, I can't get too rowdy at Dick's Sporting Goods. Pretty much give you a pickup window. This is my first time winning a shoe on Dick's Sporting Goods, by the way. So this is going to be a new experience for me. But yeah, we're going to go pick these up. We're going to show them off. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the little pickup vlog. All right, checking back in. As you can see, still at home. Got a little distracted playing NCAA football, but just got out of the shower, so we're going to throw a fit together. I don't know about you guys, but I always start my fit based on what shoes I want to wear for the day. I don't know, that's just me. And today I feel like wearing the Air Jordan 9 Olives. I probably only worn them like once or twice since I got them, but I really like them. One of my favorite Jordans. I did like a sneakers pickup video where I showed them off, so if you want to go watch that video where I talk about them, feel free to. But yeah, we're going to throw a fit together with the Olive 9s. Also, take account, it is 25 degrees outside. At least the sun is out. It's not too bad. At least it's not like snowing or raining. There's nothing worse than when it's really cold and it's like raining. It's the absolute worst weather. But anyways, 25 degrees. We're going to throw a winter fit together with the Air Jordan 9s. I'll share that with you guys. All right, let's break this fit down real quick. Also, a quick question. Do you guys find it necessary to wear Jordans to an Air Jordan release? You guys let me know in the comments. Anyways, starting with the jacket, we got a duck camo jacket from Manresa. I was watching my fall wish list video. I mentioned this jacket. Luckily, they restocked them, so I had to grab one off a restock. I am super happy with it. Absolutely love this wash on this duck camo. You can see the insulated lining on the inner. Keeps me nice and warm. Once again, absolutely love this jacket. Moving on to the hoodie, the Supreme box logo just released this past Thursday. So I figured I'd wear the one from last year. Also, I think red looks really good with duck camo. And just red and brown in general, really good color combination in my opinion. Moving on to pants, pretty basic, regular, standard Carhartt double knee pants. You can't really go wrong with these. They're super comfortable, they're durable. Once again, you cannot go wrong with Carhartt double knees. Then lastly for shoes, I mentioned it earlier, Air Jordan 9 Olives. I absolutely love these. I think the material is really good. The olive, suede, brown, nubuck, whatever you want to call this specific color. To me, it looks more brown than olive, but they call them the Olive 9, so we're gonna roll with that. Either way, I love how it looks. Goes with a lot of stuff in my closet. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I wear a lot of earth tones. I just think they look really good on me. And yeah, these Olive 9s are no exception. I do have one issue. A lot of YouTubers, I watched like 5 videos on these Olive 9s before I bought them, and everyone said to go a half size up. I did not listen to that. I went true to size, and honestly, they fit me absolutely perfect. So I don't know why everyone was saying to go a half size up. Maybe these YouTubers have wider feet and they don't specify that on their videos. I'm not really sure, but they fit true to size. If you're looking for a good pair of boots, sneakers, I would recommend the Olive 9s. Once again, I think they look really good, and I recommend true to size. So yeah, I just got the Dick's. Honestly, the parking lot's super packed. I don't think it's because of the 11s. I just think everyone and their mom is out Christmas shopping today. That's why I wanted to get out early and get off the roads before the afternoon, because where I live, the traffic gets super congested and I just don't want to be out when everyone else is out shopping. But anyways, it's about 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock, hour after the sneakers and all the online drops. It looks like the 11 sold out. Now, I know for a fact they're probably going to restock. Not today, but like Monday, Tuesday, that's when they start to restock, especially like Finish Line JD. So honestly, you should have no problem getting these for retail. Also, they're under retail on StockX right now. I just checked. my size. I think it's like 216, but with like shipping and fees, it comes out to be 260. So I think that's going to be $10 over retail. And yeah, this retail price is expensive. I'm not even going to lie. $230 for a pair of Air Jordan 11s is absolutely insane. I remember in high school, they were like $175. And then 2016, 2017, I think they were like $220, I think. I can't remember. $210, $215. Not sure. They've always been the most expensive Air Jordan Retro for whatever reason. So I guess Jordan Brand is keeping that tradition. But yeah, for $230, no special box either. Hefty price to pay. But yeah, I miss those pull-out boxes that we got in like 2009, 2010 with that translucent Roman numeral 11 on the box. I love those boxes so much. I thought that made the Air Jordan 11 even like more special than it already is. But enough of me rambling. Let's go into Dick's and get these shoes. It shouldn't be too hard. Not sure what to do. I think I just have to go ask someone. But yeah, let's go into Dick's and get these shoes and then we'll check them out. I also forgot to mention, I have to buy a jacket for my girlfriend here for Christmas. So yeah, this is going to be an expensive Dick's Sporting Goods trip. But all right, as I expected, very easy. There was a ton of people in there shopping. I didn't see anyone buy the 11s in there while I was in there. A ton of people are doing Christmas shopping. I'm not going to take them out right now since I'm still in the car, but you guys can see the box. There we go. We got them. And luckily for me, that jacket was actually on sale. So I did save a little bit of money. So I'm super happy about that. But yeah, going to take these home. I'll unbox them, show them off for you guys, and maybe put a little fit together with them. But yeah, super easy pickup. Like I said, if you guys really wanted these shoes today, you should have probably had no problem getting them at all. But yeah, I'll see you guys back at the house. All right, we're back at the house. As you can see, I have them in hand, the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue / Columbia. Now, I'm not going to bore you guys to death with a traditional review. There's a million reviews on YouTube, so if you guys want to go watch an actual review of these, go watch someone else. But I will give you guys a quality control check. And looking at my pairs, they look pretty good. I don't really see any issues. Now, I know people were already starting rumors that there was going to be a lot of quality control issues. Once again, I sound like a broken record. There's a million pairs of these. There's probably going to be some bad apples in the bunch. For $230, if you definitely go pick them up in store, I would definitely check out your pairs before you buy them. Now, I actually didn't do that because I didn't want to make the poor lady go all the way back to the store if my pair was bad. If I got a bad pair, I would just return them. No big deal. But yeah, I would definitely recommend, if you get them in store, definitely check your pairs. Because once again, you are paying $230, and that is a lot of money. But in hand, these are banging. I absolutely love these. I got the Gratitudes last year, and I ended up sending them back just because it wasn't the Concord for me. The Concord is my favorite Air Jordan 11. So not having the Concord and having the Gratitude just didn't sit right with me. But for these, I actually never owned the Columbias. By the way, I'm going to call them the Columbias because to me, these are always the Columbias, not the Legend Blues. But I've never owned these. Didn't get them in 2014. I don't think I tried. I was in college. And obviously didn't get them in 2001 because I was too young. And then, of course, the OG pair, 1996, I was 3 years old. But anyways, I absolutely love these in hand. Better than loving these in hand is actually putting them on foot and getting a fit off in these. So I'm going to try to throw a fit together, put them on for you guys, show you guys how I'd style these, and I can give you sizing advice as well. So let's get to it. All right, so here's the fit. Honestly, I went with a 90s theme, kind of like menswear-ish, not too typical streetwear, but we got the Carhartt vintage Arctic jacket on top. Also went for a winter fit since it is cold outside. I got this Manresa green sweater underneath. I saw one of my favorite content creators on Instagram pair of Columbia 11s with olive green pants. I was gonna do that, but felt like this was a better look. And then for pants, vintage Levi's 505s, beautiful wash. They really fit the theme here. And then, of course, you guys see them, Columbia's Legend Blue 11s on feet. I went true to size. They fit me absolutely perfect. So if you're still looking for these and you don't know what size to get, I go true to size and you should be A-okay. But yeah, that's going to do the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more vlogs, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, you guys have a great rest of the day. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.